Nowadays, especially after the COVID-19 pandemic situation, people are very careful to handle clean objects. There are situations in which this is very important. Microbes, which include bacteria, viruses and fungi, are everywhere there is water. Some of them are inside our body and are necessary for life. But other microorganisms, pathogens, infectious agents or germs are dangerous and can cause diseases. Today I'm here with Gabriele Magugliani, one of the postgraduate students working at the Radiochemistry and Radiation Chemistry group, to talk about how we can exploit radiation to clean objects.
Yes, Helena. Hi everyone. There are different processes that can be used to make safe objects: sanitization, pasteurization, disinfection, and sterilization. They deactivate or eliminate all forms of life and other biological agents which are present, making something safe to touch or eat without altering the characteristics of the objects. Many products require decontamination. Surgical instruments and medications that enter an already aseptic part of the body, such as the bloodstream, or penetrate the skin, must be sterile. Otherwise, they may endanger the health of the patient. To this purpose, steam under pressure, chemical vapor, and dry heat are used. Food products, such as milk, juices, beer, and so on, need to be treated before consuming. This is done by means of heat, through the pasteurization process. In addition to eliminating harmful bacteria, it extends shelf life in different foods.
How many times have you heard to wash your hands or use hand sanitizer with 60% alcohol due to the COVID-19 pandemic to prevent the spread of germs? Alcohol is a chemical disinfectant. There are different methods to assure disinfection of products. It can be obtained with chemicals, heat, high pressure, filtration, and even with ionizing radiations. Sterilization by ionizing radiation provides a clean and faster way to sterilize things without leaving chemical residues. Scientists are able to use radiation in a precise way to kill undesired germs without degrading the material, as could happen with heat. Due to its advantages over heat or chemical-based sterilization techniques, this method is particularly attractive in medicine and healthcare-related fields.
For sterilization purposes, gamma rays, electrons, and X-rays can be used. Exploiting their different penetrating capability, they can be used for different applications, leading to the same beneficial effect that is sterilization. But how do they act? The radiation energy released in matter leads to the formation of reactive species that are able to damage the DNA of microorganisms. By adopting the suitable irradiation conditions, it is possible to completely eliminate the harmful pathogens in the sterilization process, but also achieve other useful effects. For example, in the food irradiation, to eliminate pathogens and avoid foodborne illnesses, to delay the sprouting of vegetables, or to prevent insects growing in seed. These could lead to economic benefits in reducing spoilage and increasing agricultural productivity.
Sterilization by radiation of food as well as healthcare products is well regulated all around the world to guarantee the product's quality, the treatment safety, and the health of workers and public.
Maybe you have never heard it, but ionizing radiation can also help preserve artifacts and prevent their degradation by exploiting the biocidal effect of radiation. This actually helped to preserve the mummy of Ramses II, one of ancient Egypt's greatest rulers, more than 3,000 years ago. The mummy, discovered in 1881, was placed in an unsealed glass cover at the Egyptian Museum in Cairo. But after several years, Egyptologists realized that it was deteriorating at an alarming rate. Researchers discovered that the deterioration was due to a fungal infection. The disinfection of the mummy was effectively performed thanks to ionizing radiation.
Now we are aware that radiation could be very useful to improve our quality of life. It can help people not only to take care of health, but also to have economic benefits in reducing spoilage and increasing agricultural productivity, contributing to fighting world hunger. Finally, they can give us the way to preserve ancient objects that can tell a lot about our history.